Yeah, where we learn something new about Canva. Even though this is not new, it has been there for a long time. Today we are going to learn how to create phone wallpaper in Canva that you can also use for your lock screen. You can also use for your background wallpaper, and you can also use it as a lock screen on your phone. You can see this beautiful one. I designed it using my smartphone. This is another one. In fact, I have a lot of them like that. Using pictures that I generated. So let's go to Canva to do something like this. So okay, so I'll come to Canva. I'll come to home page. I want to start afresh from the beginning. For example, I'll go to templates. If I want to search, we have a lot. So let's search. Okay, so you just search on mobile wallpaper. Mobile wallpaper or phone wallpaper. You will see a lot of them. In fact, a lot. You can choose style, you can choose anyone. Let me choose illustration. So you will see a lot of them. In fact, it's going to give a lot. If you are the type that don't like something to be too much on your phone like me, let's pick this one. You see, going to see a lot. You're going to see a lot. But today I'm starting from the scratch. So I'm starting from the scratch. So all I will do is I'll still go to mobile phone wallpaper. Okay, so okay, I'll just click on one. Let me just click on this to start. But if I don't want to use template to start, at all, I'll go back to home page. I'll come to create. I'll click on create. I'll go to custom size. I'll enter my width will be 1080. My height will be 1920. Then create a new design. So that's what I'm going to do. So okay, I have my pictures ready. So what I'll do is I will decide what exactly, who am I designing this wallpaper for, because I want to sell it. So who am I designing it for? So today I'm not designing for teachers, I'm designing for myself. I want to be self-conscious about some personal things in my life, especially when it has to do with prayer. So that's what I want to talk about today. So I'll go to upload. I have my pictures ready. I'll come to upload. I have them upload. So let me use this. Okay, so this is it. Then before I start, some of our phones, let me go back. Some of our phones are always having this date at the top. So I don't want my picture to full everywhere. No, I want that date to be separate, my pictures to be separate. So let me go back. So this is it. So I'll click here. I'll come here. I'll go to shape, elements. I'll go to shape. I'll click on square. And I'll put it here from here. Just there. See it? Dimension is there. We are getting dimension. See now? The height is 634, but the width is still the same, 10 by 1080. So, but you see the height, so that's what I want. So I'll just put that one there. That's the space. So this is it. Then I'll come here. This is not a full picture. I'll go to Magic Studio. Sorry. I'll go to Magic Expand. And I'll click on custom. Then I'll bring this one up. I want the edge to be full. So expand. And in case you don't have pictures like me, we have a lot on Canva, a lot of pictures you can use. So I'm going to use the second one. The hair is now full. So I'll click on. So I've clicked on that. So I'll just click on done. Okay, so now the air is full. Okay, so I'll come here, I'll go to background and remove the background. I'll remove the background. Then I'll come to adjust. I'll go to I'll go to sharpness, and I'll increase the sharpness to 46. Then I will also go to clarity should be 20. Okay, then I'll close. Then I'll go to upscale. I'll go to app. I'll click on this and I'll go to app. Then I'll go and upscale it again because I want a very sharp picture. I'll go and upscale it again. So it's there already. So I'll just upscale it to 4x. So it's already, your image is already high resolution, but I want something very sharp. So upscale. You're going to upscale it. So we are waiting. Canva is giving us a lot. These are things you can do and sell. You can try to, like the one I designed is for 12 months, different pictures for 12 months. It's okay. So it's upscaling. So I want it to finish upscaling. It's okay. Okay, so this is it. You see it now. See the difference. You see it. So it's now better. So replace. Click on replace. It's now very sharp. Click on replace. So how do you get this kind of images? Yes, you can get them. I'll drop the link on how to get them in the comment section. So okay, so then we are done. So now we are good to go. So I'll just bring this one here. I'll go to position and bring it to the front. I'll bring it to the front. I want us to see what I'm about to do. I'll minimize it. Okay, then I'll click on it. Then I'll close. Then I'll go to image. You go to app. Let's go to app so that I can search for it. App and search for image blender. Image blender. Image blender. This one. Just click on it. This first one here. It's coming up. So I will just scroll down a little and click on my picture. Then I'll go back again. Now I'll pick this first one here. Okay, so that I can adjust it. That's why I have so you see it now. So I'll just bring it down. Then I'll come here. I'll come to my setting, my radius setting. You see it. So I want it to blend very well. See it, you see it now. But you see it. It's blending, but me, I'm not using this color. So okay, so let's bring it down. So we are good to go. You see it now. See it. So we are good to go now. So it can work on any background. So this is it. We are good to go. Then I'll come to test. I'll come and enter the year 2026. Okay, change my font to black. Bring it here. Change my font. I'm using this font, this one. Okay, I'll click on it. I'll go to effects and click on halo. Okay, and this is it. So I'll make sure it's big very well. I'll bring it down. Test again. Subheading. I'll write January. Right? I'll come here. I'll change my font to this one. See it here. I'll close it. I'll change my font color to black. Okay, then I'll click on it and bring it in. See it now. Okay, I'll now go to body text, body. Okay, so I'm going to use my magic right here. For body, I'm going to use my magic right. Okay, please need a quote on prayer. I am designing a mobile wallpaper that I want to be reminding me how often I should pray or talk to God. Okay, so let's see. Okay, prayer is the key that unlocks the door to divine guidance. Speak to God often. Okay, so I'll just replace it. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll come to font. I'll change the font. I'll change the font to this. Then our font size, I'll increase it 38. Okay, so I'll come to advanced. I'm not seeing anything again, so let me just bring it up. I'll come to advanced, the line setting. I'll reduce it to 1.109. Okay, then I'll bring it back. This is it. I don't want noise, so I don't want any noise under my wallpaper. I don't want at all. So I'll still reduce this a little. So let's go to font size. The font size should be 33.9, so you can just make it 84. Okay, so that's that now. So this January, assuming you want to, the other one I did, look at my own, there's a Bible verse with it. You see, Psalm 34 verse 15. Psalm 34 verse 15. So instead of putting month, you can just put your Psalm 34 verse 15. So this is it too. Then I'll delete this one. So this is just it. Then I'll click on download. But in case if you want background, you can use background. But me, I don't want background. I want something very plain. For example, I can come here and pick the shapes. So let's see. So I can pick anyone from here. And just put it here. But me, I don't want anything noise. You see anything they call noise, me, I don't want. So this is it. So I'll just click on this, download it, and increase the resolution. See it now. Then in case I'm using Canva Pro and I still want it to be very sharp, I want to sell it, I'll come back here. I'll come to these three dots, click on resize, and enter that highest resolution. My highest resolution is, you see it now. So I'll just enter that custom size 35. You enter the highest resolution 35. This is possible for people with Canva Pro. Then 6,000. So it will come out, the resolution will be very high. So resize, click on resize. It will be very high and it will come out sharp. Okay, so this is it. So you see it now. So just come here, click on your position and make sure everything is fine. Align. Okay, see it now. So 2006, go to position, make sure everything is okay. Then your January, make sure it is okay. You can choose to put it at capital letter format, capital letter. Okay, then let's look at this mother, whether she's also central. Okay, so now we are good to go. So I'll just download it. So I'll reduce the resolution because I'm selling. If I'm going to sell this, I'll just sell the template link so that the person can just download. So this is it. very clean and clear. You see it? So let's set it. Download. So this is it. It's coming up. You see it now? Very clear. So I'll come to this three dots, open with for my phone. So okay, view it. Okay. So this is it. I'll come to these three dots, set as wallpaper. So let's see. So I'll now click on apply. So you see now, so my picture is not fighting with this date and number, any other thing. My picture is not fighting with it. That's why I have to set it like that. You see it now, apply. Even for my for the other one, they are not fighting at all. So anytime, let me now apply this as lock. It's going to be there. So that is it. Very simple to create, and you can create as many as possible and share it with people. So that's that. So thank you. Follow me for more, subscribe please, and follow me for more Canva designs.